Dunia ini panggung sandiwara, ceritanya mudah berubah. Kisah Mahabharata atau tragedi dari Yunani, setiap kita dapat satu peranan yang harus kita mainkan. Ada peran wajar dan ada peran berpura-pura. Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Peran yang kocak bikin kita terbahak-bahak. Peran bercinta bikin orang mabuk kepayang. Dunia ini penuh peranan. Dunia ini bagaikan jembatan kehidupan. Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Hi, today we will learn Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia through this song Panggung Sandiwara from Nike Ardila. This song also being sang by others, let's say band, and also some other singers. Yeah. Panggung is stage, sandiwara is theatrical or play or show. So theatrical stage or show stage, play stage. Yeah. Dunia ini, this world. So in Indonesian, the noun first and then this. Dunia ini, this world. Panggung sandiwara, stage, theatrical or drama or show or play. Ceritanya, nya can be translated into the or also its. This is a suffix and it has at least two meanings. One of them is the and the other one is its. Cerita, story. Mudah, easy. Berubah, change. We have prefix ber and ubah itself, it means ubah is change. Prefix ber, it means the suffix ed. So change it. To make it into passive voice, this ubah, change, and then the prefix ber, it becomes changed. Easy to be changed. Kisah, also story. We use this word cerita for daily conversation, and this kisah is for a bit poem or lyric. I always say this Shakespeare style, you know, the kisah. But in daily conversation, and this is also a formal word, cerita. Mahabharata. Mahabharata, it is Mahabharata. Atau or tragedi. Tragedy. Dari, from Yunani, Greece. Setiap, tiap itself is every, and we add the prefix se, each, tiap, every, setiap, each. Se itself, it means one or a, but it is as a prefix. Kita, us, in Indonesia, for subject and also object, we don't have different words. You use the same words. This kita, if you want to use for we or us, we just use this word, kita. Dapat, get. And also in Indonesian or bahasa Indonesia, we don't have verb that you use for present tense or past tense or perfect tense. This dapat can for get, got, gets, getting, or also got. We just use one word, dapat. And how you know the tenses? You just use the perfect time signal for it. Yesterday, now, tomorrow. Because the word itself of the time signal is already give you the idea of when it happens. So yeah, we just use one verb. Also for any kind of subject, there's no difference, just one. Dapat. You want to use it for get or gets? Dapat. Satu, one, peranan, role. Yang can be translated into that or which. Harus, have to or must. Kita, we, mainkan, play. Ada, there is. There are in Indonesian, just one word, ada. Peran, role. Wajar, fair or reasonable. Dan, and. Ada, there is or there are. Peran, role. Berpura-pura, pretend or pretending. Mengapa, why. Kita, we or us. Bersandiwara, play act or pretending. Peran, role. Yang, that or which. Can be also whom or whose. We just use one word, yang. Kocak, funny. Bikin, make. This bikin can be make, made, makes, making. You just use one word, bikin. Kita, we or us. Terbahak-bahak, LOL or laugh out loud, LOL. Peran, role. Bercinta. Cinta is love. If you add the prefix ber, it can be making love or make love or to do something about love, or can be also love. Role of love. This one is the same. Make, bikin, make, makes, making, made. Yeah. Has made, have made, bikin. Orang, people. Mabuk, drunk. But we add this one, kepayang. So if we say mabuk itself is drunk, mabuk, kepayang is more into crazily drunk or infatuated. Dunia ini, this world, penuh, full. Peranan, role. Also in Indonesian or bahasa Indonesia, whether you want to make sure it is a plural or it is generic general, we just use in singular or single form, because if we say car in Indonesia, we already know that in Indonesia there is more than one car, so you don't have to specifically say cars in Indonesia. Or I see it with my eyes. In Indonesian, it will be I see it with my eye instead of eyes, because you already know it's logically and common sense. You see with eye, and the eye can be one, can be two. So it doesn't have to be specifically or detailed into singular or plural. In Indonesian, it just come in singular. It is the same when you have to say 5 houses. In Indonesian, it's gonna be 5 house, because logically explanation is just like one house, one house, one house, one house, one house, one house, 5 of one house. That's why we in Indonesian it is wrong if you or incorrect if you say it as 5 houses. It is 5 house. That's why this peranan in English it's gonna be roles, but in Indonesian role. Dunia ini, this world, bagaikan, like, jembatan, bridge, kehidupan, life, bridge of life. Also in Indonesian we kinda don't use to be. You can see there's no to be here, and here there's no of. We just say bridge life. That's it. Instead of saying bridge of life, we just say bridge and then life. Bridge life, bridge of life. Even though hidup is alive, so bridge life, bridge of life, we add the prefix ke and suffix an, because hidup itself is alive. So life, kehidupan. Let's try to sing and pronounce it. Dunia ini panggung sandiwara. Ceritanya mudah berubah. Kisah Mahabharata atau tragedi dari Yunani. Setiap kita dapat satu peranan yang harus kita mainkan. Ada peran wajar dan ada peran berpura-pura. Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Peran yang kocak bikin kita terbahak-bahak. Peran bercinta bikin orang mabuk kepayang. Dunia ini penuh peranan. Dunia ini bagaikan jembatan kehidupan. Dunia ini panggung sandiwara. Ceritanya mudah berubah. Kisah Mahabharata atau tragedi dari Yunani. Setiap kita dapat satu peranan yang harus kita mainkan. Ada peran wajar dan ada peran berpura-pura. Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Peran yang kocak bikin kita terbahak-bahak. Peran bercinta bikin orang mabuk kepahian. Dunia ini penuh peranan. Dunia ini bagaikan jembatan kehidupan. Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Mengapa kita bersandiwara? Thank you.